Hi friends, welcome to the channel Incredible Indian History. Here we comes to you with the fascinating stories of Indian history without any dilution. Before going to this video, friends who haven't subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe and enable the bell icon beside it. Straight to video. In this video, we will bring you the contributions of ancient India into the field of mathematics. Mathematics was popularly known as Ganitha Shastra in ancient India. Ganitha Shastra was divided into five: arithmetic, algebra, geometry, astronomy, astrology. In between 1000 BC and 1000 AD, a number of treatises on mathematics were authored by Indian mathematicians. The techniques of algebra and concept of zero probably originated in India. The town planning of Harappa indicates that the people in those times had a good knowledge of measurement and geometry. The use of geometric patterns can also be found in temples in the form of geometric motifs. Bijaganitha means the other mathematics. The fact that this name was chosen for the system of computation implies that it was recognized as a parallel system of computation. The earliest book on mathematics was Shulba Sutra, written by Bodhayana around 6th century BC. There is a mention of formula of the square root of 2 and even some concepts very similar to Pythagoras' theorem. It also contains geometric portions for fire altar construction. Apastamba in the 2nd century BC introduced the concepts of practical geometry involving acute angles, obtuse angles and right angles in his book Apastamba Dharma Sutras. This knowledge of angles helped in constructions of fire altars. Now we can check the contributions of Aryabhatta in the field of mathematics. Aryabhatta in around 499 AD wrote Aryabhatiya, in which the concepts of mathematics as well as astronomy were explicitly mentioned. The book is written in Sanskrit and has 4 sections: method of calculating large units of time, number theory, geometry, trigonometry, Bijaganitha, and astronomy. Astronomy was also called Khagol Shastra in those days. Khagol was the famous astronomical laboratory in Nalanda where Aryabhatta studied. In Aryabhatiya, the aims of studying astronomy were to get accuracy on calendars, to know about climate and rainfall patterns, navigation, to look at the horoscope, to understand about the tides and stars. This helped in crossing deserts and seas by indicating the direction of wind during night times. Aryabhatta in his book stated that the earth is round and rotates on its own axis, formulated the area of a triangle and discovered algebra. The value of pi given by Aryabhatta is much more accurate than that given by Greeks. The Jyotisha part of the Aryabhatiya also deals with astronomical definitions, method of determining true positions of planets, movements of sun and moon and calculation of eclipses. Another great mathematician who lived in India was Brahmagupta. In his book Brahmagupta Siddhanta mentioned zero as a number. He also introduced negative numbers and described them as depths and positive numbers as fortunes. It also contained first clear description of quadratic formula. In the 9th century AD, Mahaviracharya wrote Ganitha Sara Sangraha. It is the earliest Indian text entirely dedicated to mathematics. In this book, he described details of algebra, concepts such as equilateral and isosceles triangle, rhombus, circle, etc. He was patronized by Rashtrakarta king Amoghavasha. Bhaskara II, who is popularly known as Bhaskaracharya, was one of the leading mathematicians in the 12th century. His book Siddhanta Shiromani is divided into 4 sections: Leelavati, Bijaganitha, Goladhyaya, Grahaganitha. A Chakravarti method or the cyclic method to solve algebraic equations was introduced by him in his book. James Taylor translated Leelavati and made it known to the people across the globe. That's it for today. Please support us by sharing, liking our video. We will be back with many interesting videos on history. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.